Get a feel for the 2023 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid. Elevate your daily drive in this well-equipped, super-efficient Elantra Hybrid. From its crisp styling to its smooth ride, spacious cabin, and impressive standard safety and infotainment features, this vehicle makes every journey a joy. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, heated mirrors, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, power driver seat. Feel smart and stylish in this super efficient Elantra Hybrid. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.